Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to create and send invoices in QuickBooks. Getting paid quickly starts with sending a professional and accurate invoice. As someone who handles a high volume of invoicing through QuickBooks, I've refined a process that is both fast and efficient, which I want to share with you. This process applies to both QuickBooks Online and Desktop, but I'll focus on the essential steps common to both. Creating a professional invoice. First, let's talk about creation. My best advice here is to use the plus new button or the equivalent Create Invoices option on your main dashboard. This immediately brings up a clean invoice form. Key details. Accuracy is everything. Customer selection. Always start by selecting the customer, job you are billing. If they're new, you must add them right away, making sure their email address is correct for digital sending. Invoice essentials. Review the invoice date and select the terms, like net 15 or net 30. QuickBooks automatically calculates the due date based on these terms. I always use a sequential invoice number for easy tracking. Line items. This is where you detail your products or services. Select the correct product/service for each line. I ensure my descriptions are clear and concise. QuickBooks will pull the rate and calculate the amount for you. Accuracy here is non-negotiable to avoid client disputes and delays. The best way to send and get paid. Now for the sending part, which is what helps you get paid. The best way to send an invoice from QuickBooks is digitally. Enable online payments. Before you hit send, you must enable QuickBooks payments. This is the game changer. By connecting a payment option, like credit card or ACH bank transfer, your customer will receive an invoice with a direct Pay Now button. This dramatically reduces payment friction and is the single best thing you can do to get paid faster. The send process. Once the invoice is complete and online payments are enabled, don't just save and close. I recommend using the Save and Send or Review and Send option. QuickBooks will let you review the email template that goes to the client. I always make sure the subject line is clear, and I occasionally personalize the message. A simple "Thank you for your business" goes a long way. When you hit send, QuickBooks automatically emails the client a professional-looking invoice with the Pay Now button, records the invoice as sent in your system, begins tracking the status for you, tracking for faster payments. The best practice isn't just sending, it's tracking. QuickBooks gives you an instant status. Has the invoice been sent, viewed, paid, or is it overdue? If an invoice is getting close to the due date, I highly recommend setting up automated payment reminders. This gentle, professional nudge is sent directly by QuickBooks, saving you the awkward follow-up call. It's an effortless way to keep your cash flow healthy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.